channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm back with another haul. So this time I think this is the first time I'm doing clothing haul in my channel. So I hope it goes well and I hope you guys like it. So I recently bought few clothing pieces from Ajio, so I should share this with you because why not? We want clothing haul every single time. So this is my very first clothing haul, so it's very basic, I can say, nothing fancy, but I will promise if you guys are going to love this video, from next video I'm gonna bring like fancier clothing items for you guys. So yeah, make sure to like my video and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So let's start with the basic items only. So the very first item is t-shirt, because you know Ajio has really good collection of t-shirts, like very basic tees, and that too under a very good budget. So brand Rio, and this is in the size extra small, and this is a very basic white t-shirt. Like it's a very off cream sort of a white, and it has all over this print like this. It's not a print, but it's that something written on this shirt, like t-shirt. It's going on all over it and it fits me really nicely, and it has this round neck going on. And to be very honest, it's very good quality. You can see like such a good quality, and it just costed me around something 200 or maybe even less than that. I think 196 or something like that. So for that price I can say this is the best I could get. So yeah, definitely check these sort of t-shirts from Ajio. A must buy, I can say. Ajio has one brand, DNMX. So they really make good t-shirts and shirts and denims. So again, I thought I should get one t-shirt from that also. So this is this very basic graphic tee. So it's again in white color. Like if you guys know me, this is not my taste. Like this is exactly opposite for what I like, but still it's good. I think I should try this sort of basic t-shirt. So again, this is in the size extra small, but to be very honest, it is very big for extra small. It doesn't fit me like this one. I guess it is like that only, the loose baggy t-shirts. Again, the quality on this is very good. Like you can see the material, the color and all, everything is so good. And again, it was under rupees 200, so I think not bad. You can just go and check them out for daily wear or college wears. I think this one is really good. So the next item is very cute, very pretty, and I got this pretty cute strappy mustard top. Can you see that? I don't know why I got this one right now, because it's all winter going on and I can't wear this. This is giving me very summery vibes. I think it's a perfect sort of top for wearing in summers. I mean, just look at this top. It has a very nice crepe sort of material, and it's strappy and it's peplum. I mean, it's so cute and it fits me so perfectly. Again, this was in the size extra small, again from the brand Rio, and this one is so inexpensive. I think it was something around 250. I mean, it's a steal deal, you guys. If you want, like if you love this sort of strappy tops, you will definitely love this one, and the quality on this is amazing. So go and check it out. It's very cute. I don't know, the moment you will wear this one, you will feel extra prettier. So yeah, check this one out. So next is the denim. It's a high waist denim, white color. This one is in the size 26. It is the smallest size available on the website, and this one is from the brand Rio. So again, let me tell you guys, I guess this one is the best you can get at this price. So I got this one for rupees 350 or something like that. It was going on off. This is so inexpensive, I can't even tell you, and for this price you can't get this good quality anywhere else. 50 for this beautiful denim. The fit, the material, everything is so perfect about this denim. I mean, I can't tell you. Next piece of clothing is from DNMX, and this one is favorite from my haul, like from this haul. I'm just look at this material. This shirt is so beautiful. The color, the prints, I mean everything about this shirt is so pretty. I mean the quality is good. It's very comfortable, very breathy, and as I told you, it's very good quality. And I have to just pay rupees 350 or something like that, and you will get good quality t-shirts and you will get good quality shirts on this budget on Ajio only. So yeah, I think they make the good t-shirts also. I'm gonna repeat the same line. Just go for this one without having second thoughts. Again, you can trust me on this. I mean, such a good quality, good print, good design, and they have again a loads of variant. So you can, if you don't like this sort of prints, I mean, I'm okay. Like the stripes, it's all navy blue and white stripes going on this, good quality. So definitely you can get this one for yourself. And I mean, it's so inexpensive, you guys. It was just for rupees 350 or something like that. I mean, definitely get your hands on. This item is again very random and very basic. It's a ghar ka kapda, like ghar ka shorts. So I bought these shorts. These shorts comes in pack of 2, like in combo. So I have one like this tropical print wala, very cute shorts, and one is this. Love the fitting and all, very comfortable, again a good quality. So this combo costed me around 350 for 2 shorts, and for such good quality, I think again I will say the same thing to you guys. Just go and buy this one. The next items are going to be all ethnic. So the next one is this suit combo, like the whole palazzo, kurti and dupatta set. These are going really, you know, these are really in trends these days. So this one is from the brand Indo Era, and this one is again in the size extra small. So this is a very pretty beige color kurti. Again, the material is very comfortable, very soft, and this kurti has this pink multicolor sort of border like here, and also the neck design. So this thing really adds that element to the kurti, and it's really pretty, you guys. I mean, if you will wear this, you will just feel like a matured woman or girl. Also comes with the palazzo, although is little too loose for extra small, and it has also this same border going on. So this really makes look more beautiful. And the most beautiful you can say item is this dupatta. I mean, just look at this dupatta. It's all orange and pink, and it has this thing going on. So yeah, it is a really good combo, I can say. Like, it's again from the same brand, the same set, like the same kurti, palazzo and dupatta set, again in the same size. This again fits me perfectly. Only the problem with this kurti is they are little bit more like, you know, they are extra lengthy, which was not looking good. So fix it by cutting that extra length. Like if you're heighted, then you don't need to even do this. I'm too short, like I'm very small, so this was not looking good on me, so I have to cut it like the extra length, but uske baad it was looking good. So again, this is a very plain red kurta, like very plain kurta, and it has this golden sort of border like this, and here also, and this button thing going on here. So yeah, it fits me perfectly. I don't have to like alter this one. Palazzo is little bit loose, but it's okay. I can just manage it. Comes with the same golden work which was going on the sleeves. And the most beautiful set, I mean the most beautiful part of this kurta set is the dupatta. I mean, dupatta is so long. I mean, you guys can see. It's too long, I can't even show you. So again, when you like put this with the whole kurta, like the whole kurta and palazzo is very simple. So when you add this, your whole looks just get to another level. So you can definitely check this one out also. If you are looking to get these sort of kurta sets, you can definitely check this brand out. They have more color options, more designs also, and they are not at all pricey. I mean, they were, I guess, something around 1200, or you can easily get them for rupees 1000 also, like on Myntra and on Ajio also. Love these sort of kurta sets, or if you want to gift to your mom or your sister, so you can definitely, I think this is the best gifting option. Like, again, good material, good work at good price. So yeah, in every haul, like everything is for girls or women's only. There is nothing for your men's, like papa, bhai, किसी के लिए कुछ नहीं रहता. But I have one option for them also, obviously for my dad, not for me. So again, this is again a very good kurta set. So this has this asymmetrical design going on, really good print, and they have like really good material. And also this comes with the white churidar, like which comes with the kurta set. So I can say it's really good material. They have different sizing options, they have different designs also. So this is from the brand Jompers, I guess, and this is in the size extra large. And to be very honest guys, quality is really good. So if you want to gift this sort of set to anyone, like your father, your brother, or any of your close friend, you can definitely check these sort of kurtas out. I mean, they are really good. Purchasing a lot of things like a good amount, like above 2000 or 2500, then definitely you will get different coupon options available. So make sure to check it out and apply that coupon, and I'm sure that you will get even lesser than that, because we were like getting these all stuffs in a bunch. So these kurta set just costed us around for rupees 600 only. I mean, such a good material, good design, good quality for 600 rupees. I mean, it's worth it guys. So yeah, definitely check this out. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked this haul, and if you did, and please let me know in the comment section, or do like this video and do subscribe it. And from next time I'm gonna buy more fancier things under a budget, because that's what we want. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And yeah, you have to subscribe me so that I can pop up on your homepage and you will get a notification. For that you have to press the notification bell icon. So yeah, do it, and till then, stay happy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching me guys.